Okay, so I made a little video. This sound is really brutal. See if I can change it. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it. Okay, anyways, I got a little bit of free time. I'm doing court. So I thought I'd show you how to customize your icons. So it's kind of cool. So the first thing we do is go to Google and we're going to look for free icons. Hurry up and search. Now you get all kinds of these, especially just single sites that offer free icons. You get there and you want to download them, and then they want to charge you and stuff. You get a couple of free icons out of a set just for a test or something. So I look for like reviews, collections of them, and then they have their reviews and they tell you more about if they're free or not. So I picked this site off there. I can't see this very good now that I'm doing this on my video editing. But these are a bunch of sites. Look for some that might be interesting. That one looks alright. I think I'll take a look at this. Metro UI icon set, Windows 8 stuff. Those aren't too bad. This place, DeviantArt, that's one of the most wicked websites on the internet, man. They have tons of free stuff. I got like dozens of wicked wallpapers for my desktop. You can see you got so much selection. It's like this everywhere too on here, for their graphics. And they have a lot of really good stuff too. I'll have to make one about getting wallpapers. So what I'm doing is trying to check out and make sure these come in graphics format. So I like that one. I download, and I always put my downloads to ask me where to save it. And so now I'm going to pick pictures. Icons are pictures. So, what's the name of it? Download's done. Pretty quick. So now let's go to pictures and see what we got. And it's a zip file. Could be anywhere, you know that. Okay, so I got 7-zip. But Windows also has a thing, if you right click on it, it'll say extract. And you can extract a zip file into an open folder. But I like 7-zip, it's a lot quicker. So now that we've extracted it, so I opened the one that's still zipped up. So let's go find that folder that was extracted. There it is. It's got such a long name. I'm gonna change the name. I right click it, change name, erase part of it, hit the back button, and then enter. So this looks pretty decent. There's a whole bunch of categories here. Yeah, those are alright. Lots of color, and well, it depends. Everybody wants something different, I like ones that will really stand out. These ones are kind of commercial. But we got a whole... This is like a good download. Look at all the different categories. And there's those 2 folders in each one. One is PNGs, and the other one is ico.ico files. And Windows needs you to use .ico for the icons for your folders or whatever you're going to change the icon to. So let's go and we'll pick a folder, and I'll show you how to change the icon. And I'm trying to decide. I could pick anyone. Who gives a fuck? Just get it over with, man. Pick a folder. Okay. Whoops, can't see that. So you right click it, the bottom says properties, and then up on the top right it says customize. Now you go to change icon, and this is Windows normal store of icons. Those are Windows icons, but we can pick our own. You hit browse, and it just happened, I don't know, for me to open up right to the right folder. But sometimes you might have to browse, you might have to go look in your pictures or wherever you kept them, and there they are. Now decision time. Man, there's so many choices, it just gets me screwed up, eh? Maybe I won't go to court at all. I've only got $1 million bail. Who gives a shit? There, that's a cool one. Push OK, apply. Whoa, look at that. That's cool. That rocks, man. Is that ever a fucking great idea? I wonder if we can do another one. Let's try and pick one at the top so you can see it in my screen, everything you're doing. But you're going to right click, properties, and customize, then change icon. What the hell did I do? Must be all that LSD I'm on. Yes, Mike, that's the right one. Okay, you got it this time. Browse. Find your pictures. They come up right again because we were just using them. But if you have to, you just go to pictures. And most people know how to do file management, folder and file management, so it's pretty straightforward. But it's just sort of a quick review. Oh, look at all these choices, man. I tell you, and I'm hallucinating too. They all look the same to me. Oh, maybe I'll try reading the Bible. All right, that one's the Bible. Just a second. Didn't it say mirror? It said something like there was two types. There's the regular type, and these are the mirror types. Oh, you can't see them because they're not icon. Let's change it so we can see all file types. Oh, there they are. They're PNG, which is basically fireworks and Adobe. Nope, PNG doesn't work. We got to be using the ones that say ICO. So let's get back to the browsing. Pick the ICO ones, and hey, the Bible. Okay, hallelujah, brother. This is a great day. God gives us a beautiful gift by having these icons for us for free. Like, what more could you ask for? I can hardly wait to start using my computer with a few new icons on it. Man, what a blast. Okay, how about if you want to make a shortcut on your desktop instead of opening it up all the time if you want to use your that folder. So you right click, drag to your desktop, let go, and then create shortcuts here. So you can see if you open it up right at the folder, or of course the shortcut, and it opens it up. So you can put shortcuts. That's what I like doing the icons for, is because when I put shortcuts on my desktop, So, well, I guess that one doesn't want to pin. I like pinning them to the taskbar too, you can see. And I like the taskbar on the side because the windows are always wider than they are high, and you're trying to look in the internet, and what the fuck, man? You can only see 3 lines high because it's so wide. Okay, you know what? You can do this with a USB too. I plugged in my USB stick, and because we make a relation, it makes a path when you do something like that, permanent path. So the icon we just made, it always points to that in my pictures and the icons there to the same folders and stuff. So it always has to be in the same relative path to it. But if we're going to do it, we can do it on a USB drive, so that's cool. So I right click and drag that over there onto my USB drive and put copy. You can see it's pretty hefty. There's a lot of weight in there, eh? A lot of megabytes. Okay, so now we go to the USB drive. Of course, I've only got one folder. I just cleaned it, but we'll still do it. And it works the same way. Customize, change icon. Now, this time, we browse to the ones on the USB drive because we want them to always be that permanent path from the icons files to the folder we're putting the new icon on. So, whatever that one was, it's kind of cool too. Yeah, whatever. Okay, and so now you can see down in the bottom left corner of the Explorer, or you can see up there, and it's always going to have that icon on your USB stick because you made the icons, put the icons on there, so it'll always have the path that Windows creates. So you plug that into another computer and it'll have the same icon there. Otherwise, if you tried to use the one on my pictures and you went to somebody else's computer, well, your pictures with the icons aren't there and it wouldn't work. So I got to get going to court. I'm going to have a nap, take a quick trip to Mexico, and maybe I'll see you guys someday. Thanks a lot.